Kentucky's known positive cases in the state are up 50 from yesterday. That's the single biggest day to jump since the first case was reported. Evening Edition's Mike Valenti was at the governor's news conference tonight and has this report.
So we had anticipated reporting that one of the new cases tonight was a nursing home resident. The governor said during his news conference that a 90-year-old man in a Perry County nursing home tested positive for COVID-19. But just about an hour ago, we learned that that test was reviewed and actually came back negative. We saw the governor in the hallway shortly after he found that out, and when he told us, you could tell he was pretty relieved. But the threat of spreading the coronavirus to vulnerable people is still very much alive. And that's why the governor had stern words for those hanging out in large groups in parks and on basketball courts today. He says mayors and county judge executives will be monitoring these areas and have the authority to shut them down if necessary. We also asked the governor about the federal government's intention to publish guidelines for governors, categorizing counties as high risk, medium risk, or low risk. That would theoretically help governors make decisions about where to allocate resources. But Beshear pushed back at those suggestions.
A county line is something that we put on a map. It's not real. I know it's real in terms of government services, but it is not real in terms of the coronavirus. I believe we are one state. And at least while I'm governor, we're going to make sure that the whole state is operating under the very same game plan.
We also asked the governor whether he believes the president should use his authority under the Defense Production Act, which would mandate companies to produce critical supplies. Beshear said he doesn't think that's necessary right now because businesses appear to be stepping forward voluntarily. In Frankfort, Mike Valenti, Evening Edition.